Welcome back, folks. So here we have a page that we have been creating, and this is what we had the last time we were here. So let's proceed. Let's assume that we want to have another paragraph here. So my languages I'm going to remove for now, and then I am going to get it back later. Let's say we want to have another paragraph. In this paragraph we are going to be pasting some code. Let me go to Lorem Ipsum and then get some code, generate. Let me quickly, let me get this one. Where do we have a full stop? I don't need a very huge one. That's enough. Copy that, go back to my IDE, paste. What? I copied. Let me just go back and copy, and then I paste here. Nice, we have that. Let's go back to our page and refresh. We have this paragraph. You can see by default the paragraphs know that we need to leave some space at the middle. How awesome is that? That is the intelligence that the markup language gives to our browser. Nice. Suppose we wanted to create a bigger space at the middle of these two. Maybe the two paragraphs for some reason are not very related, and we wanted the space here to be bigger for whatever reason. Maybe you may want. I want us to see how to do that. Add some white space to our pages. How do we do that? Go back here. Now, after we have our first paragraph, before we do our second paragraph, this is where we need some space, right? Somewhere here. Let me save that. I go back here, refresh. Yeah, this is where we need some space. So how do we add some space here without having to add text? We have a tag that is called break, and it is denoted by BR. BR for break. BR, break. So when we have one BR, it adds a line break here on our page, and it doesn't add anything. Now there is something that you need to note here. BR does not have a closing tag, so you cannot do BR and then you close BR. You see, when I try to do that, the IDE is interpreting that I want to close body, because that is the only tag that is not closed up here. And note, remember that the body should only be closed at the end of your document. There is no way you can close the body at the middle here and then continue writing some stuff. They are not going to be displayed. So if I save this for instance now and save, this is a very wrong document I have here. It's not supposed to look like this. Alright? So this is not supposed to be there. So make sure that your break tags are closed, are self-closing. Okay? So now if I go back to my page and reload, you can see here that the space has become larger. So if I remove this just to demonstrate and save, just look at what happened. Refresh, the space is gone. If I get my break tag back, save it, and come back here and refresh, the space is there. Okay? What if I wanted two? I add two break lines. I go back here and refresh, it is added. So if you need bigger space in HTML, you can do this. Alright? And then you save. I am going to be showing you how to do this in CSS when we get to the CSS section. But in HTML, this is how we handle white space. Perfect. So do some exercise, see how you can manipulate this document, and I will see you in the next section.